Vidura College, Environmental Studies, Grade 3. Hello, my dear children. How are you? Hope you all are well. Today we are going to learn a beautiful lesson. Okay, let's see the vault. Can you see the picture here? Yes, it's water. So, children, in this lesson, we are going to learn the importance of water, the sources of fresh water, the methods of purifying water, and safety in water. Are you ready? Okay, first of all, I would like to ask some questions. Where have you seen water? Have you visited there? And can you swim also? Another important thing, how much water do you drink per day? That's very important. Water is a natural resource and it's very precious. We should save water without wasting because people use water for different purposes. Now we are going to learn about sources of fresh water. Can you see pictures here? Yes, we can see the pictures of river, waterfall, sea, pond and water springs. And can you see some more? Now we are going to make a beautiful pond. For this you want a cake board, clay, plastic plants, fish and some stones also. First of all, you want to make a round shaped pond using clay and you can keep the stones around that. After that, you can leave it to dry. Then you can take plastic plants, fish and other beautiful things to decorate your pond. You can paint your pond also. Okay, hope that you will enjoy the water lesson by making a beautiful pond. Now, can you see a picture of glass of water? Yes. Is there clean water or dirty water? We can see dirty water. So, children, is it good enough to drink? No. We should purify water before drinking. So, in this table, you can see two columns. In one column, you can see the ways we used to purify water in the past. Next, you can see the ways that we are using today. So, in the past, people used charcoal to purify water. Then, they used white cloth to purify water. Then, they boiled water also. Today, we can boil water and we are using filters at our home. And we can fix strainers to taps also. Now we are going to make a simple water filter. For this, children, we have to take an empty mega bottle. Then fine sand, coarse sand and charcoal. We want mud water also. First of all, we want to cut the mega bottle into two halves. After that, we have to remove the lid and want to wrap the mouth of the bottle with a piece of white cloth. After that, to the other half of the bottle, we are putting fine sand first. Above fine sand, we put charcoal. Above charcoal, we put coarse sand. To the top, we put rocks. After that, we have to take mud water and want to pour onto that. What is the color of the mud water? Yes, it's black in color. Now children, you can see the water is coming through all the layers. From the mouth of the bottle, you can see the colorless water is collecting to the other part of the bottle. Now water has purified. Okay, my dear children, now we are going to learn the safety and protection in water. Do you like to swim? Yes. Can you swim well? If not, you will drown. How can you survive without drowning? There are some steps given here. First of all, you have to float on the water, or else you have to keep your breathing under the water. And when you feel that you are going to be drowned, you have to hang on to the following things, like a piece of wood or rope or a tube. If you are doing such things, you will not drown. If you see a person who is drowning, you can do these things. First of all, you have to call for others' help. Then you can throw a piece of wood or a rope or a tube to hang on to it. And the best thing is you have to select a proper place to swim. Okay, my dear children, now we have come to the end of the lesson. Hope that you enjoy the lesson. Stay safe until we bring another beautiful ENV lesson. Bye bye.